Hey, little artist! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a big, scary pumpkin and a cute little ghost.
Boom! I'm the pumpkin, king of Halloween. I'm so excited to be part of your drawing today.
Let's start with the body shape of our big Halloween pumpkin.
Ooh, I'm looking round and plump.
Haha! And next, draw the carved spooky eyes.
Ooh, I can see you now.
Ho-ho! Add the triangle nose. Ha ha ha! Don't forget the smiley mouth with zigzag teeth.
I love my teeth, nice and pointy.
Ho-ho! Draw a stem on the top of the head.
It's like a little hat.
Oh-ho! Add a leaf next to it. Make the pumpkin realistic by drawing some ribs on the body. Why are pumpkins so important on Halloween?
Well, pumpkins are a symbol of harvest and fall. They're also used to make jack-o'-lanterns, which are carved pumpkins with faces that glow in the dark.
Aha! Now it's time to draw our cute little ghost. Start with its body shape.
Woo! It should look like it's floating in the air.
Oh!
Ghosts need hands to wave, don't they?
Hey! Give 2 big round eyes. Draw a smiley mouth with 4 sharp teeth to make it extra spooky. Let's draw a nice grass hill under the pumpkin.
Ah, I love sitting on the grass.
Finally, look at those twinkling stars, which make the night feel extra spooky. Draw the lines darker to make them stand out. Time to bring our drawings to life with some color. Rainbow color pumpkin. Violet.
Indigo. Blue.
Green.
Yellow. Orange. Red.
Aha!
Green color stem. Yellow and orange leaf. Black. White and blue shade ghost. have it! You've just drawn a cute Halloween pumpkin and a ghost.
Bye-bye, and happy Halloween, everyone!
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!